If you're looking for window air conditioners, here's a collection you've got to see. Kitchen and home appliances. Window air conditioners, Amazon UK bestsellers 2017. Number 1, by DealMux. Watch this video and get inspired. Number 2, by Store It Cold, LLC. Number 3, by Sunshine D. For more info about these bestsellers, just click the circle. Number 4, by Prem-I-Air. Number 5, by TROTEC. Find these window air conditioners at up to 70% off by clicking the circle in the corner. Number 6, by DealMux. Number 7, by Gosia. Click the info circle to find more amazing products and gift ideas. Number 8, by DealMux. Number 9. Discover more window air conditioners ideas and items to explore, click the circle in the corner. Number 10, by Kenmore Smart.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.